done with this. Come and see my wardrobe. I'm so embarrassed.
Oh my god, I am so embarrassed, you guys. Just look at this mess. I hate it when my wardrobe is like this. I'm someone that doesn't like my wardrobe or my things to be in one position for a very long time. So I actually arrange my wardrobe every single week or almost every single week because I just change the position every time. I don't know if anybody can relate to what I am trying to say, but even if it is kitchen, bedroom, or anything else, I just change the position every time. I get bored of certain arrangements every single time. I really don't know why I do that all the time, and I don't even know whether it is a bad thing or a good thing. I wanted to make this a get out of a slump vlog with me, but getting my life together at this moment was just so chaotic. I just decided to get everything over with off camera.
So guys, this is my today's fit. I'm wearing this jeans and a blue crocs. My bag is a vintage bag. My sister sent it from UK. A vintage bag. I love it. Then a cardigan in case it gets cold because I'm not about to fall sick again. I'm not about to fall sick.
After getting my hair done, I decided to go and get cake stuffs because my birthday is coming and I want to bake my cake myself. It has been so long since I baked the cake, so I'm very excited. I also got an air freshener which I forgot to show you guys, but it smells so good. There's something about incense that just makes so much sense. Incense smells so good and calming. It also makes me happy, like really happy, and I love that so much. So if you haven't burnt dry router before, I will highly recommend you burning a dry router because it is so nice. If you have tried it before and you don't like it, probably because the scent you have or the scent you burnt was not that great. You should try another one. And if you don't like it because of the smoke, just burn it and leave the room. Come back in like 30-minute time. It would have already finished burning by that time and your room will smell nice. So today is sanitation day, so enjoy me do the house help duties. Actually, I'm just joking. I actually love cleaning if I have the energy. I'm a lazy person, but anytime I have the energy, I do everything I can and I enjoy doing it. People do assume me to be an ajebota. Ajebota simply means probably a spoiled brat. They think I don't do any work at home, I don't do anything, I just wake up, sleep, eat, and do anything else. But that is actually not me. That is not me. As you can see in this video, I am not an ajebota, please. So today is my CDS day. CDS means Community Development Services. We do meetings basically, but because my CDS group name blah 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 is called Culture and Tourism, so we just tour Plateau State. So today we are going to the museum to have an outing. This is just museum. It is actually a very nice place. Little did I know that I was about to use my hand to do myself by climbing these 100 steps. It was more like an hiking, you guys. Thank God I actually prepared for it by wearing trousers and sneakers. I was so tired. I was tired. Yeah. Yo.
This place is a very nice place to be. It's fun. So if you snap pictures,
Dance, oh, dance.
Oh my god.
You can do it out. Say hi, just say hi. Yeah, Moko.
It is 3 days to my birthday and I decided to bake my cake because I want to do a photo shoot with it tomorrow, which is Friday. I am really happy to be baking and decorating my cake myself. That way I'll be able to express myself more on the cake. It has been so long since I baked. I am not an expert. Please don't judge my cake baking. I was really trying to make this viral zig coquette cake designs. I don't know how they call it. I just call it coquette cake. So that was what I was trying to do, and you guessed right, I kind of messed up a little bit. So I did not really like the design when I was done, but I later liked it. I think it was okay for somebody that is not a professional. So today is a day to my birthday and me and my friend decided to have a mini shoot in my dad's parlor, which actually came out so nice. I forgot I was vlogging, that was why you can't see any landscape video. Hi, so today is officially my birthday and I'm so happy and graceful at the same time. So I decided to host a little birthday lunch for me and my friends, which actually came out nice. I really like the setup that I did. It was not a really big party, but I really like the way it turned out.
the volume. Hello everybody, welcome to my birthday party. I am so happy you guys are here. Like, you guys mean so much to me.
Asking us, when did you?
I want to use this to say a thank you to everybody that wished me a happy birthday and also gave me gifts. Thank you so much. Oh, I was about to be emotional right there. Anyways, thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe. Bye.